सब्सक्राइब करें अपने चैनल इग्नू लर्निंग सेंटर को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं लेटेस्ट इग्नू रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन और स्टडी मटेरियल सबसे पहले पाने के लिए। Hello friends, welcome to your channel Ignou Learning Center. Here we provide study material as well as latest update about Ignou. So subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Today we will discuss most important MCQ questions of BSHF 101 Part 2. ये वीडियो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों के स्टूडेंट के लिए उतनी ही उपयोगी है क्योंकि क्वेश्चन जो है वो बाइलिंगुअल रहेंगे। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो ऊपर आई बटन दबाकर या नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाकर उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। उसके बाद आप पार्ट 2 देखेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा उपयोगी होगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टोटल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली बिफोर पार्टीशन वाज 381. टोटल स्ट्रेंथ वाज 380. Next question is when Constitution Day is celebrated? So Constitution Day is celebrated in 26 November. Next question, when Panchayati Raj Act was passed in? Panchayati Raj Act was passed in 1957. Next question, the Chipko movement was led by? So Chipko movement was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Next question is the 73rd amendment is related to Panchayati Raj. Next question, when was national emergency imposed of India? Next question is when was national emergency imposed on the India? The national emergency imposed in 1975. Next question, the Constitution Assembly was headed by? The Constitution Assembly was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question is which committee was working in 1949 on DNTs? So the committee name was Antrolikar Committee. Let's go to the next question. Next question is when RTI Act passed by Parliament? RTI Act passed by Parliament in 11th May 2005. Next question, the full form of GDP. The full form of GDP is Gross Domestic Product. Next question, when was first 5-year plan introduced? So first 5-year plan introduced in 1951. Let's go to the next question. The Indian economy mixed or open? So the Indian economy is mixed economy. Next question, when Rowlatt Act passed by British government? Rowlatt Act passed by British government in 1919. Next question, during first and second 5-year plan, highest priority given to industry and agriculture. Next question is the third 5-year plan gave priority to which sector? The third 5-year plan is priority sector is power. Next question, an economy that maintains economic relation with rest of the world called? So this economy is called open economy. Next question, the things that come under literature. So these things are poetry, fiction, drama and satiricism. Next question, the Ajanta cave belong from which period? So Ajanta cave was belong to Satvahana period. Next question is what is natwari dance? So this is a Kathak dance, is also known as natwari dance. So Kathak dance is also known as natwari dance. Let's go to the next one. Before going to the next question, I would like to inform you that BSHF 101 Hindi playlist is updated on the playlist. So please view once. I will give the link on the description. If you're liking the video, please like and share the channel to your friends and family. Let's go to the next question. What is natwari dance? Kathak dance. It is a Kathak dance. Next question. The 3 fundamental constituents of music are? The 3 fundamental constituents of music is swar, tal and rag. Next question. The lyrics used in this dance seems to be influenced very largely by Jayadev's Gita Govinda. So this is it, Kathak Kali dance. Next question is, what are the types of environment? So there are two types of environment, biotic environment and abiotic environment. Next question, what is adaptation? So adaptation is the process by which human being adjust to the situation. Next question, what is anachronistic? So that which is severely out of date. Next question, the Marseillaise of Padua belonged to which country? So he was an Italian scholar. Let's go to the next question. What is blasphemy? So blasphemy is act of insulting sacred objects. Next question. What is non-fascism? So non-fascism is opposition to fascist ideologies, groups and individuals. Next question. When did Iron Age commence? The Iron Age commenced around 1200 BC. Next question. What do you mean by abstraction? The abstraction is the process of formation of ideas or quality of things by separating it mentally from any particular material object. Okay. Next question. Who wrote the book on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres and when? So this book is written by Nicholas Kepler Nicus in 1543. Revolution of heavenly spheres. Nicholas Kepler Nicus in 1543. Next question. When and where the copper was discovered for the most first time? Around 9000 BC in Iraq. Copper was discovered in 9000 BC in Iraq. Next question. Who was the first person to successfully circumnavigate the world and when? So the first person is Magellan in 519 to 22. This is the person who navigated the world first time. Next question. Who was the first European to sail around the southernmost tip of Africa and when? So this European is Bartholomeus Dias in 1488. Next question. Next question is, what is absolutism? The absolutism is a government in which ruler has absolute power. That is absolutism. Next question. What do you mean by heretic? So this is meaning of heretic is the holding belief opposed to church, especially by its members. Next question. Next question is, what do you mean by scholasticism? A system of thought based on Aristotelian logic. The thoughts based on Aristotelian logic is known as scholasticism. Next question. What is tithe? So the 1/10 of annual produce from land paid as contribution to church, that is called tithe. Next question. If you liking the video, please like and share the video. Next question. Which war weakened the US economy during 1960 and 70s? So this war is Vietnam War. Vietnam War weakened the US economy during 1960 and 70s. Next question is, which term is called umbrella term? The umbrella term means literature in an umbrella term for poetry, fiction, drama and criticism. Next question. Which form is oldest form of literature? The oldest form of literature is poetry. Is the oldest form of literature. Next question. The name of some major English critic. Their name was T.S. Eliot and Samuel Johnson. Next question. Name of some major Hindi critic. The major Hindi critics are Ramchandra Shukla and Hajari Prasad Dwivedi. Hope you like this video. For more videos on BSHF 101 and other subjects, please go to the channel playlist. and subscribe the channel for latest new videos for other chapters as well as BSHF 101 MCQ series. Thank you.